Hi everyone. I hope you all are fine and doing well in your life. It's me, Kiddo Shivika, and welcome back to my channel. So, as you guys must have read the caption, it's about my energy. So, let me first tell you that how is my energy, how I'm to people. So, basically, my energy is like I first talk to them. I feel their energy. Like I try to get their energy. I mostly get it. Mostly, like yeah, mostly, man. It's very rare when I don't. So if I met a happy, excited person, I will be real. Like I'm never fake, but I'll be like myself only that time. I won't control myself from laughing like a dumb, but I'll be myself only. So I'm liking with them. I'm very like and when I meet calm person, like they are nice but they are calm. So I'm like I'll be same, but I'll be calm. Like I will also be calm because I don't want to disturb any introverts. I don't want to eat all their vibe, like just dance on their head. I don't want that. So I I I prefer to be calm with them, like so I could match with their energy too, so they feel comfortable and home kind of feeling around me. Guys, one thing about me that I want everyone to feel me like a home because I want to, not like तुम मुझे comfort person बना के रखो, but I want to feel that they are safe, they are comfort, they are home with me. So I want to be like that with everyone, but I don't know if they really do, and I really don't care if they even don't. But how do I don't care? I care about that, but it's all on them. Yeah, let's stop this. So I want to share a tea with you all. Like tea, yeah, it's a tea only. Two teas. Okay. So 2 days ago, what happened? Me and my sister went for coffee and matcha. She went for matcha, I went for coffee, but it was the same store. So my sister drank her matcha, and I was holding my coffee because I don't know मुझे आइस्ड पीने में क्या होता रहता है. मैं चाय जैसा सिप 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 करते रहती हूँ, ठीक है. एंड मैं मोस्टली बकबक करते रहती हूँ, ठीक है. बिकॉज देखो, दीदी की एनर्जी कुछ भी हो, दीदी के सामने तो बकबक करना है. दीदी दीदी, ठीक है. सो आई वॉज लाइक ब्ला 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 इन फ्रंट ऑफ हर. शी वॉज सीइंग माई फेस दैट प्लीज शट अप, बट आई वॉज लाइक टॉकिंग. सो व्हेन वी गॉट आउट ऑफ द कॉफी store, that store, okay. So we came out, so there was two guys walking. So they asked why I didn't okay, let's just talk. So they asked that, do you guys know any South Indian place? So I said one restaurant which I definitely love, and my sister was saying that you want veg, non-veg. She was like, yeah, we obviously have non-veg food, man. And she was saying like hotels name. I won't say their name because I'm not giving they are not paying me for that. Even if they don't, I can take the name. But I won't. Yeah. So there was that other guy whose energy I felt like he talked to me happily, excited. We were having like the same energy. So I was like, hi. I felt like, oh my god, that's the energy. That's the energy that I prefer. So okay guys, let me give you an example of me to someone. I'm literally giving example of a dog. Okay, so like dogs, they feel energy. Like dogs are mostly like, they are always excited to meet. If they see a energy, like if they see good energy, they are like happy with them. But if they are like calm आगे जाके, so वो भी calm हो जाते हैं. So same with me. I'm literally compared myself to a dog, but whatever. So it happens with me, like dogs too. So it happens with me too. Then I was like, we were having same energy. I was real with them. I was literally real with them. Then he said, I feel your energy fake. I feel your energy fake. I really don't care if you call me fake or real. But that time I was like, fake? You feel my energy fake? I was like, अरे तुझे मेरा energy fake लग रहा है आदमी. Fuck, why did I just said that? Okay, so I was like, fake. And then I felt like, अरे छोड़ो भाई, I should be happy. There is only one life. Because मुझे कोई कुछ बोल दिया, I felt like there is only one life. तो मैं तो कल मर जा रही हूँ. So that was me that time. And then we were like more talking. So he went. he went walking somewhere, like because two kids came and he was like bhaiya biscuit khila do. So then he went. And okay, so he was way more older than me. So he said, "You are like my younger sister." I said, "Yeah, you are like my brother, big brother." Stranger to younger brother to big brother, man. So that happened, and then guys, what happened? So while I was going to my house, while I was on the way, so I felt like I have a bad energy. What's that called? Fake energy, yeah. I do really have. Then I was like, I was trying to stop. I'm like very nonchalant. I really don't care like what people say, what they don't. I really don't care about people. It's all about me. Yeah. So it was like, मैं सोच रही हूँ. Then I came home. मेरी मम्मा अच्छा खाना बना कर. I was like, खाने पे फोकस करते हैं, वो आदमी का छोड़ो. I don't know why I'm using the word आदमी. Okay, so I was like, छोड़ो. Then at night when I was sleeping, I thought that fake energy, is my energy wrong? Is my energy bad? I was like, you only have one life, girl. And being real is better than listening to anyone else and literally making your energy fake. So I was like, अरे brother, just leave, I don't really care. Then what happened? मैं सो गई, मैं खाना खाकर सो गई. मैं सुबह उठ के मैं भूल भी गई मैं उस इंसान के बारे में, कैसा उस इंसान ने मुझे ऐसे कुछ बोला भी था. मैं भूल गई. ओके, तो इसका फिर मैं वहाँ लाइक अब कि चलो छोड़ दूँ. ओके, आई वांट टू शेयर दिस ऑल. More 2 minutes for one more tea. So there is one dermat whom I go to and I know her energy. Like doctors, I'm very nice. Like anyone, like gynec, dermat, or they are physicians, I'm like nice to them. I'm like nice to everyone, but I go and greet them. वो लोग का दिमाग नहीं खाती because I know that doctors mostly prefer to be calm because I read it somewhere. I don't know if it's really true or not, but they see many patients, so I'm like, let's just be calm with them. So what happened? I went to my dermat. I was like, I have already went to her twice, so I know. So I was like, hi, how are you? So she was like, yeah, I'm fine. Hi, I'm fine. Okay, and my mom didn't react at that time, so I go with my mom. Yeah, I go with my mom. Everyone goes, and if you don't, okay. So guys, you know what? Afternoon, what happened? My mom was like, you were acting like a adult. Wow, adult. I was like, adult? I just went and greeted to her nicely because I'm nice, man. I have a friendly nature. I'm excited, but I wasn't excited. My mom for her concern. So I was like quite मैं चुप ही थी. मैं कल finger on lips करके बैठी हुई थी. मतलब finger on lips नहीं, मैं ऐसे चुप थी. So my mom was like, you were acting like an adult. She's way more older than you. I know she's way more older than me, but I feel like what's wrong with that even? Yeah, guys. For you all, greet everyone nicely. Don't see their age. Even if it's a kiddo, be nice to them. Even if they're very old, be nice to them. Always be nice to everyone. So then what happened? My sister came and my mom was telling that she acts like her. I have a friendly nature. Guys. So I said that, yeah, I have a friendly nature. So what's that? She said, we have a bad nature. Like, she just doubted herself, guys, She just doubted herself. Like, we have a bad nature. That's obviously on you. That's what I said. Because, yeah, guys, stop. And one thing, as she doubted herself that, do we have a bad nature? So, guys, this one lesson. Please never doubt yourself about your energy. Okay? And I was like, I have a friendly nature. And here this tea end, and I said that yeah, I have a friendly nature. She said, do we have a bad nature? I said, that's on you. That's obviously on you. So guys, this was the 2 teas and I hope you enjoyed it, but this video doesn't end here. 1 more minute. Okay guys, so I want to tell you all that you only have one life, so please have the energy you are always having. Like as I am, I feel their energy. I be nice to them. So guys, I just want to tell you one simple thing, that even if people say that you are fake, you act like this, that. So don't ever listen to them. The energy you are having, keep that with you and be happy because you only live once. So just be happy, listen to yourself, however you feel comfortable, be like that. And I hope you all enjoyed this video. Always love yourself and don't forget to like and subscribe me for more motivating videos. So bye.